Hi, my name is Charlie.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
That's very good. That's very good. On the name Charlie,
Charlie.
Charlie. Let's write that out. Let's try and get that sounding a little bit better. Charlie. How would you write that? Charlie. Not char. There's no r. Char. Char.
Char
Charlie.
Charlie.
Charlie. Yeah, Charlie.
Oh, I like that.
You like that? Yeah.
Yeah, Charlie. Okay, because
You've got to be
I
very careful because obviously you're thinking, well, it's got an R in it. So
yeah, yeah,
Char,
exactly.
Charlie. But when you're
Charlie.
looking at those words and you're just trying to get that sound to come out of your mouth the right way, you have to rewrite it in this weird kind of way that's going to make the sound come out of your face the right way. So Charlie. So hi, my name is Charlie.
Hi. Is it
Hi,
hi?
hi.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Very nice. You said it's quite weird because when you say the name Charlie, you suddenly have a very tiny German English accent. It sounds very slightly German. It's weird. I don't understand why it would sound a little bit German, but it does. It's got a slight German
Charlie?
twinge to it. Beg your pardon. So
Charlie.
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 Yeah, that's better. Yeah. So,
Charlie.
hi, my name is Charlie.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Nice.
I
Uh,
think oh my God.
yeah, go on.
Yeah, I think it sounded more German because I put too much accent on the cha, maybe.
Yeah.
Right.